In this video, we're going to show you how to add a page to the system, as well as look at the navigation and what it does when you add and remove pages. Once you've logged in, the best thing to do is to open up your website in another window by clicking the View Website. You will see that this will load in a new window. From here, we'll go to Add Page, and we want to add a content page. We need to give the page a name, so we'll call this Services. Now the title is the title used right at the top in the web page, helpful for search engines. This doesn't necessarily have to be one word, it can be several words, but no more than around 60 characters. And this is the heading that's used on the top of the page when listed. For example, here we go what we do. This is the heading. Our services. We won't touch this at the moment. We'll do this in a later tutorial with regards to this parent, but this is to do with navigation. We do want to show this on the menu, and this is the menu. If we choose not to show it on the menu, the page will still be added to the system, and then you would obviously link it through the URL internally. This again we can do in a later tutorial. If we want the page full width, what does full width mean? Well, this page here uses 50% of the page and uses the include of our system in the other 50% of the page. If we was to choose 100%, it would take the whole page, and it's normally good to be used for if you have lots of text. So we don't want to list lots of text in a very slim box, we'll use it in a wide box. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll keep it on a normal width. Add in your content. Here we will put, here is a list of our services. And if you've used a blogging system or a social networking site where you normally put a title and content of a post, it's very similar to that. This is your content, and it's very similar to like a word processing program. And for this one, I'm going to add a couple of bullet points. Service 1, Service 2, and Service 3. Here, meta tags. This is helpful for search engine rankings. Each page you can add your own meta tags, title and description. So, and for what we generally do here, we'll add some general tags. So we'll add general building, development, offices, and you would generally place meta tags that describes your industry based on the page you are working on. A meta description is generally normally a quick sentence about the company based on that page. Once we have done all this, we click Add, and this will go into the system and also in the navigation. You'll also notice the page count will go up depending on the package you're using. In this case, this is a Pro, we have unlimited pages. We have 8 of unlimited pages. If we want to go back to managing the pages, we'll now see our new page added, Services. We go back to the front end of the site and we refresh. Here we have the services. Here is a list of our services, Service 1, Service 2 and Service 3. Now you have learned how to add page content to a site. Now we'll move on to adding other areas in following tutorials.